In this video, I'll attempt to explain the accounting equation, calculation of net worth, and creating balance sheet through a fun story. Bob's Balance Sheet Adventure. A fun story about understanding net worth and balance sheet by Easy Peasy Accounting. Once upon a time in the quirky town of Ledgerville, there lived a man named Bob. Bob was a cheerful fellow who loved collecting quirky items. One day, Bob decided to figure out his net worth, but he had no idea where to start. So, he went to his friend, Alice, the town's accountant. Alice greeted Bob with a smile and said, "Bob, let's calculate your net worth and create a balance sheet for you. It'll be fun." Bob scratched his head. "A balance sheet? Sounds serious." Alice chuckled. "Don't worry, Bob. It's just a way to see what you own and what you owe. Let's start with your assets. Assets are things like cash, house, car, inventory, and equipment that you own. Bob proudly listed his assets. Cash, $500 from his piggy bank shaped like a dragon. House, $100,000, a cozy cottage with a garden full of gnomes. Car, $5,000, a bright yellow car named Bumblebee. Next, Alice asked about Bob's liabilities. Liabilities are your debt. This could be money owed to a bank, a supplier, or the tax office. Bob sighed and listed. Mortgage, $50,000 for his gnome-filled garden. Car loan, $2,000 for Bumblebee. Alice quickly did the math. Total value of item owned, assets, minus total value of item owed, liabilities, equal personal net worth, owner equity or capital. Your net worth is $500 cash plus $100,000 cottage plus $5,000 car. Total asset $105,500. Minus $50,000 mortgage plus $2,000 car loan. Total liabilities $52,000 equal $53,500 is your net worth. Bob's eyes widened. Wow, I'm worth $53,500. That's amazing. Alice smiled. See, Bob? It's not so bad. This is what we call financial position. Total assets minus total liabilities equals owner equities or capital. Now you know your net worth. Let me create your balance sheet. Alice said, what you own, your assets, are purchased with either 100% from your own money, 100% from borrowing money from lenders, or a combination of both. For example, your car is an asset that cost you $5,000. You paid $3,000 from your own money, owner equities, and you borrowed $2,000 from the bank to pay the rest. This $2,000 loan is what we call liabilities. This is how we create a balance sheet equation. We learned about accounting equation. Assets minus liabilities equals owner equities. If we move liabilities to the other side of equation, we will have balance sheet equation. Assets equals liabilities plus owner equities. The balance sheet equation is a formula that sets out the relationship between assets, liabilities, and equity. The stuff that a business owns is equal to the stuff that a business owes. Equity is the stuff that a business owes to its owners. It's what remains after all debts and obligations have been settled. Based on balance sheet equation, your assets are placed on the left side and your liabilities and owner equity or capital are placed on the right side of the balance sheet. Bob was impressed with Alice's work. Bob learned that a balance sheet is a great way to keep track of what you own, assets, what you owe, liabilities, and what you have left, net worth or owner equities. By regularly updating the balance sheet, Bob could make smart decisions to manage his finance or grow his business. Bob decided to celebrate by buying a new gnomes for his garden. But as he walked out of Alice's office, he tripped over a stack of accounting books and landed in a pile of receipts. Alice laughed and helped him up. Bob, maybe next time, let's work on balancing your walking skills too. And that's how Bob learned about balance sheets and net worth, with a little bit of humor and a lot of gnomes. I hope you enjoyed the story. A practice file is provided in the following video. Please watch the practice video to better understand how to prepare a balance sheet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Share this with your friends who might love this too. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting new content. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to keep bringing you more.